Fellas, hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, very, very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, guys, let's speak a little bit about making money online. Okay, as I told you guys before, if you want to make money, if you want to make money online, or if you want to make a lot of money online, one of the best ways for you to do it, it is for you to, how can I say, to sell high ticket products. If you sell high ticket products, the chances of making a lot of money are much bigger. What do I mean by high ticket products? You guys know high ticket products is nothing more than expensive products, But wait a minute, they gotta be good products. You cannot sell trash, Don't sell trash. You gotta sell good products. Yeah, okay, so I say high ticket product. Like for example, they say that if you want to make $1 million, you have to sell a product that costs $1 to 1 million people. Okay? If you sell a product that costs $1 to 1 million people, you're gonna have $1 million, Yeah. So, but for example, if you sell a product that costs $10, $10 to 100,000 people, you're gonna have $1 million. But if you sell, for example, a product that costs $1,000 to 1,000 people, you're gonna have also $1 million. So you gotta understand that success, it is a numbers game. It is you gotta understand that success, it is a numbers game. So this means that how can I say that you gotta know your number. You gotta know which number you can use. You gotta know which number you can use in order to be successful. It is that this is how many of those guys, that you see on YouTube, they start to make a lot of money, because they sell high ticket products. You also supposed to be doing these things. Sell high ticket products. But if you have the opportunity to sell a combination of high ticket and low ticket products, then buddy, do that. Don't just then buddy, do that. Don't just sit down here and sell products that don't get you anywhere. Sell high ticket and low ticket products. If you make this combination, chances of making a lot of money are much bigger. Just like, for example, who is Bill Gates? Do you know Bill Gates? Bill Gates is one of the richest men on this planet. He has more than $100 billion. $100 billion. Why does he has all that money? Do you think that he sold his product to 100 billion people? No. On this planet Earth, there is only 7 billion people, not 100 billion people. This means that some of his products, they were much more expensive than other products. Of course, he has also investments. But this is the thing. You gotta put this in your mind that you need to sell some products. They have to be much more expensive than other products. Yeah, some products, they have to be much more expensive than other products. Put this in your mind. That's why you gotta sell high tickets. If you can sell high tickets and low tickets, good. But now, where do you can find your customers? You have to go on social media. You gotta go on Facebook. You gotta know. You gotta go on YouTube. You gotta go on TikTok. You have to promote everywhere. You have to promote everywhere, all the time. Promote today, promote tomorrow, promote after tomorrow. You gotta promote every single day. Don't just sit down there and expect the customer to come to you. You have to go after the customer. That's how business it is done. Don't just sit there. And when you promote, you gotta give value. You have to understand your customer it is the laziest person ever you're gonna ever meet, you know? So you gotta always to constantly educate him, entertain him. If it depends of your niche, you know? Or if your niche is entertainment, you have to entertain him. If your niche it is money-making niche like mine, wealthy niche, you have to educate him and so on. You gotta give value, all the time value, you know, educate, entertain, teach, coach, all this kind of stuff, you know. Don't be lazy, you know. Do not be lazy. You have to teach him and teach him and teach him and teach him, coach him, entertainment, and all this kind of, until he buys the product, you know. But make sure that the product that you sell, it is a good product. Do not sell trash, you know. The best way for you to lose on this market is for you to sell trash, you know. If you sell trash, you're not gonna go anywhere, you know. You don't sell trash. If you sell trash, you're not gonna go anywhere. Sell products that are good. And how do you know that a particular product is gonna be good? You have to try it first, you know. You have to pick up the product. You have to analyze the product. You buy the product, you know. You study the product. You see how the product works, you know. Because at the end of the line, what is gonna be, it will be that when you're selling the product, you know, you're gonna tell to your customer more about your experiences, you know, about your experience than anything else, you know. If the customer sees that you have a good experience with that particular product, more likely he will buy the product, you know. Because just like, let's say for example, you buy a course that teaches you how to make money online, you know. You already know the course, you know. You know how to make a landing page. You know how to promote a product, you know. You know how to write an ebook, you know. Now you have to sell this product to somebody else. It will be very easy, you know, because the only thing that you have to do is just to tell them the experience, and it will be just is much easier for people to buy, you know. This is what you no, this is what you have to be doing, you know. Just think about these things. Okay, guys? Okay. Write your comments below, you know, subscribe to this channel and check the link below so that you can make money online. Okay? I'll see you next video, buddy. Bye.